Yeshasie ede a free Asante Kotoko supporters chairman. Uwa Solomon Ofusuware na so ye ene yeshasie ede a free no na de ti ensem na wo fie no ano. Na enura chairman Solo ekopie mu ewo sunyane na ukodi nkomo ewo sunyabro ne Asante Kotoko chitafo a anase circles mpanyifo omo sunyane ekodi nkomo we na probo a se wahyaase a wotu odinani echeche ye meya hodo Asante Kotoko supporters wo bawo akwaba
boss me jo
se mateko ase chairman Solo be ko UK so ko share UK fo no Abdullah mo
du ho no ni Abdullah mo
Abdullah mo ko share o mo okay nti enra okopiem ewo sunyane na one Kotoko achitafo mo ewo sunyane circles mpanyifo mo sunyane funzi mo edidi nkomo fa kwan a season ye bay mbefa so atoto nyoma na supporters no so no omatimi aboa ama Asante Kotoko team no etimi etumpon yentie chairman Solo nkomodi a okodi bi ewo sunyane
obia okaso obetibatiku onya tiku na wode Kotoko so dia automatically wa bekan ya wodime nyu free edi ya oba ya mra ewo ho no Obed so se o mpa no jaje ye kasa papa obetumi atiku se yo basa o wa je se Obed gan system fia mu de dia ene Kotoko no wa bekan ho bi eti wo ba ya mra ya wo no Obed so because yese wo ya mra duma how say supporters will be asking in constitution. Even National Circus Council a constitution before election. Because yes sir William Reduma. I say supporters will be asking in constitution. Even National Circus Council a constitution before election constitution.
Okay. Chairman Solomon Ofusuware or say a name say moye echitafo bi na mote supporters group amode Kotoko di to say king emre ho edema Kotoko supporters no na mbedi so onya wadun so bedi so dia na wo so onya wadun se wo supporters group no mo be support Kotoko ise nyade obi nam ha na obi nam ha eno ensem bia enra ode atudwa ewo eyesunyane chairman Solo what any pa
the boy na metiebi and honestly I don't envy him. Solo finds himself in a position say nanamo na opesu otu so otu na say nyame boa no na say ekose ne a esese ekono a na say na ope no na say ekose ne esese ekono a ebi ebesisa the face of Kotoko supporters as against as it pertains of today. Sa anya yesu dia ane ebi kra na afedi be scatter bibia ma ahwe kra dia wan hwe na chese enu ano no na chese age egu kra. On the strength of this and I made ka say we Kotoko supporter, it doesn't matter say you hu say we warriors, so we are faithful, so we are circle, so we are kumapim, so we are global. Say we claim we say we are the football club, the institution kumasa Asante Kotoko dia. As I say ye was said there, as I say you hear some say mo beti me pekwan bi so afford unity. One that ebe wi ase no Kotoko and the ultimate beneficiary. Now enkoye say ebia minister Obed ati ye supporters group ye pese ye na ye gain prominence in the face of whoever, whether say ye management, say ye board, say ye mensia, say ye wherever or whatever. With that kind of mindset, the institution Kotoko na obia akofa e dey beto sa ekuru na wo se wate ne ho so no eno ebe sofa whilst we so call ekuru no so kra no entimi nya enai papa bi anyina so. Boss, come to think of it, sprinter groups be ba appear free circles mu over the years be pemene omo there has not been one sprinter group acting what is circle more, and that's what yati. Are relevant in it? Some of them you can even count five members as members, or you can't find them because now interest na kwaye no more than even the institution Kotoko no. Meanwhile, omako fa Kotoko na to ho so ade ateta ho te said as omo pe Kotoko interest no. Enti boss anama ye nyina chamasolo tu no. Me captain ya adwen say me dey me support sa anama na wo tu no. Na emomu no. Ense se kwaye se anama otu no nko a. Ese obi bia oka ho bia di ose eye oyo nti ono amu no a we tick breakers na se titrani na odi animu no ese se odi ose eye oyo ese se o mapepepe ye da di nti for instance anopa ye bo no odi obi na oka se ono onye selective se bia mihu Asante region circles ni se eye kase sen e bia bo half circles na se e bia east circles na se voter circles na se of course won kase no you anua will show itself by our numbers we pull any other things I obey the aka ho obu ompo a only that much numbers no but ye adwuma normal here na fata says omo ye de boa no omo timi ye enti obu on ma it's not about numbers but it's about how participatory are we in a chrono ni dwuma die mu. For instance, there's no way a voter region circles but mama any numbers is Ashanti region circles. Me who how be my examiner. But se Kotoko voter region the kind of presence on be show no. E bet say we so omo ye crooked to there but we so show we so there. And it is about commitment to the cause of Kotoko. Then say personalization, individualization na I will for some time no. Enti so no way you tell me I don't envy him because so what me pe kwa bi so enti me ganya we mu nyina ma obia enti ase because for assistance now akwai no ho enkwai enye one of a unitary state where all powers goes under one authority. Sisi no akwai no ho some sort of some of government no can federal type of governance media. Sa one government. Oh, na mo me. Oh, why to say Nigeria. Say say Kanu say Kanu state.
Kanu state, yeah.
Kanu state dey ho no. Sa also na ebia another state also dey ho. So say how they sit here no. They have almost the similar powers. Federal state no ho no mo. But all the other states, you know, almost do almost show them around your BBA. Ubaga na hano more. Yeah, you so unitary state where all powers could be inclined. Nankai decided there, and Kosovo Tamale. And decided there, and Kosovo, Sandema, Wale, Kumasi, baby. Kotoko state, you know, supported state, you know, Cecilia, you know, and Nisa 2 million. Enti obia ti group a ono a determine ne mra se no person any normal the bibi person ye bia. I am not vouching for any of them. Say either the unity one or the federal one. I'm not vouching for any of them. But me person me can say because Ghana high mra no MIN freedom of association unity ubet ma ti ukru. But say the chairman so kan no. So we took now the Kotoko no be butter hold there. As I say, Kotoko no.
Okay, and on a Benjamin Jumfor or say, which constitution is Chairman Solo using to tell other supporters groups what to do? He was not a circus chairman, but he is telling circles what to do.
He was not. He is.
Even the position he occupied, there is no constitution for that group. He should say he is circles chairman and stop that kikasem.
As anything.
Those preaching unity should stop it because no one is fighting and you can't force anyone to join your group. Benjamin Jumfor and the message we aba.
oh these are some of the divisive mentality I can was no enti we say nipa we any so group that group no what part saying therefore enti so yes I Chamasoro cannot force anybody to donate enti den so what next as someone say obianka say obi no obi too but say you say we work in tandem. I believe he understand that yen nyina kotoko no say krona ye penny no obia boa ne nyina ya tie ho ase say we converge at one point for the sake of kotoko ye we obia de no tin na make say there's the system unity state, there's a system federal the federal ones obia de ho but they still have one country called Nigeria or one country called United States is a federal state. And a federal state.
And it's a one bedrock constitution.
You see, only where they are, America, where they are, say the biggest political parties. Let me say Europe, if I'm right. But say other political parties, the bigger ones take decisions. True or false? It do be let's accept. Say, yeah, so you're part of it. Me, I belong to the Liverpool supporters group. Waganda. But I think that when I take a decision, I am frame by binding me because me choose to say me how me belong wo. Me complain that me soon that.
Into wetin our supporters group be. You bet me ashemra. Ba ni amfamo kwa nkan wo sama machire mo adwene. By the moment awai wadwene so be join say institution no. Na say wa emre bi obehye bia no di so. Sana be so say.
Edu, de wo be ya ni say. Say wo pe say wo nya say a. Wo ye ho me kai emre bi ye tro come supporters trust no. Say pe say no ma bi. Me sign bi. Aristotle che say wo won mu ni Aristotle che. Sign bi. Yambofan ka sign bi. Kuda dem mensa. Wa kuda dem mensa. Eso sign bi. Na ye de call ye. Ba ye ana mo maye no maye nye. Omo maye no maye nye. Se ne be ya. Sa recognition na ye see ye pe no. Ye nsa beka. So it is not like omo you want to say me ka ye ho.
Okay.
By your stages, your levels. Enti umbeti ma start kakra bi. Ba mo no maye mo be ye. And no man will be go acquainted and make us say the voter regional circles. There's no way on back say Omani Kotoko circles or Ashanti region can say bad for so many reasons they say ain't me yes sir. But one bit me one recognition on desirable based upon one so one no more be
yan to so man ko say Obed ho well spoken Mr. Ua Alex and na odisa message we e dey aba Obed mami nti we
Ben yini interesting kakra and the comment ni interesting kakra. Why you see first of all ansana beti ko bia no obotae si wedi so and your one that is a bit close in your the bigger picture and say ni ko bia beti a o say what because of Kotoko bia the bigger picture should be Kotoko.
Of course.
See, we will come back to this discussion over and over again. Just that maybe the direction of every unit, you know, will be a bit different. On the direction will be a direction, will be a fadia. But the bigger picture should be Kotoko. If only the group, you know, are formed because Munina more group, no more interest that the interest which is Kotoko. Now, you know. Ye betu ye ni say penifo na ba first ni ka say Kotoko chita fu ni no mo kama bom aye no ku baako na su ku baako ni bi yin penifo ni ayi eye region bia panyin obeda no ni ayi national na ni nyina eku ye ni ese David enioma na esesa ye oni pebu a mo Kotoko do makomam na emu se ku ya eti yo mo nka ho okay ena ade bi ba e fed fabu census e no kire se obi o Kotoko chita ni bia no so also do Kotoko e se okojibi na no na be ya ade e betimi agina so hu se wo ye Kotoko nti e beto abai na manfo bi so suggest say ye oni pebu o ha eku ye da e fed circles o mo ho ye yi circles panyini na automatically a fan is on a gina Kotoko Tafo in our name, including the other groups are. Nipa ne bi contribute to Oba Stadium. I will put a farm census card. Then the suggestion was, okay, let's include all these people into the conversation. Which to some extent, circles for common said I'm punished because someone say, danger man when you cool, say, captain when you cool. Now say, what you go, na say, cool, Nini and go to a buying in the Pakesi Abako. That discussion is ongoing. Any other fabu census no kotoaba. Any chitafu in our opinion. Ben your say. And any other body, any other person will hold that view. The truth is all fabu census card. The next all to a baby. So one kotua next one my own kind. Ama other people are kotua be you opinion. Because for the first time here be able say obi kura was circle me kotua ba na yesi ye yi nipa two from I can't say council no so mo represent you. He say there be obi am to be no obi an kire na adwene enyu panyin ba ko a obedi enyina anim. People, I think that this was a perfect opportunity for us to smoothen everything. This was perfect. Everyone said nanke you chairman sulu. What your chairman sulu come on see the next elections the fabu census na near the bay. It means that anybody within the Kotoko family once you bet me are coming together stand a chance of having a say in the leadership. Kawani the engine airpay because why should I contribute to Kotoko's development? A basi you penny about represent Kotoko Tafo Amenka. It is wrong. And Kawadi and you'll be there for so be because how do you expect to form a group with the interest of me? Nasa me me share mra was be this. And you form for high interest. I mean sometimes what's the idea me ye in our pay. And I remember what Tenaslam some got Tenaseno. And you must say in a war open master moi utu kuni diso. Also want to see and I hear for so. And yet why because chairman solo process will go through. It was the IMC. Niamomu to me from mention dictate these measures. In fact, I'm the supervising DBR from the election procedure to vetting to everything. I'm the supervisor with order from mention. It when you nipakuo be na ti baby no makwa trase e don see akoyi panyin bi aba. This is coming directly from the headquarters of the club. Nti se won kasa woti baby unti ase e na wo no nka ho e na obi antimi force wa. Na ne ekoya na ase e bai.
Teze chairman Sulu yen mami se oyi kakra. Oye circles chairman and now oye Kotoko global supporters team.
Supporters na chairman. That is what the last management laid down at the Twaba. Plan here say, Ekoni yini, Yanchi obi ambre, o say, and come on modi yinaye, Kotkoni you. Obi anyani
supporters in your chairman, Intina Mummy no global supporters chairman.
Exactly, because supporter who is a biwo outside Ghana, a biwo, until be a supporters group more outside Ghana, you will be when into young Kenyan name Bomyani Pabaku. And what it means that even in the next elections, we didn't have criteria, and maybe Omeka say gold members. Maybe criteria might be gold members. I'm just giving an example. Say you are for census, are you a good member? You've been in good standing for the last 4 years. If you are category, the voting pattern for you to come and stand for the chairmanship position. Also, more gold or platinum.
It's a winning demonstrating you.
It's no case or case one thing. Then you know, they have to just and I'm so no. Me kwamni chairman Sulu kasa about this. How he keeps on hammering on that. Me say many njemo. But say conflict of interest. Say now no mom trust in the constitution. No say we case or stand there. Why have you ever case? On what design constitution to favor him. And to say yeah draw constitution at all. Ebi as up regional chairman I start free silver. Into regional no say Asante regional all for census members are mo register under Asante region mo beto aba from silver say greater Accra into a constitution way with advisory body no apedi be bi atena na fe ye bia to obi ambepre na no na circles for no sorry cast and the country on the circles for us and by because circles for us we can say if he should do that no lay down if na bi obewie no nipa na obewie ni free circles a ye de omudi na asa ade na ase ayi omafrim enti ko mo so pese omo kuo no omo nya omo leaders na wo ho
anu nti na make say sisi abeye asudie di amache manso say
obeye circles
enye constitution kwa o say ono chairman sulu ene oye supporters chairman no ehin na wogina as chairman ene say is it what no ho say ye Kotoko global supporters a circle force ye Kotoko ba ko yeso chairman
nobody mo fa wasem makra
so tire me jana say omo say ye twe ho ko yi yeso chairman say ye ko pedi fufuro bia so ba circle for ka say ene yeso kwa ko yi chairman eno kra ne yenso wunwe you
but adwuma
because say na kwa ye say any other name a chairman so de bebe bia enye circles no circles no problem on
you say circles no dey say if chairman solo di ni foforo beba omni problem but their name circles omo so be wi omo panyin
eno ne be because
yeah ye wo Kotoko kuma pu omo panyin no now ono de na say that issue na akodi mentia a omo tena so but ono say adwuma necessary still e koso tio ye ntimi ka se ye twen ama sa le gran
ba se wanye sa adwuma no so amfiwa ohu ba bi odi na ni kire
sese no
so te me che no
say sa asem no fikasi
enti oba den na
event member
enti
ready to come with
eno so mo ready beba
o say sa asem no eko fikasi I no beba with go ahead for even how the constitution will be named and how the constitution will be established but before that no yet me ka say adwuma ni eja ato enti say o say ye invite obi amra o de obi amra contribute ni enye nko by the time onu mfie 9 ne be so no na sa ni omani nyina ya awie then he will hand over for the next election to go on it will come on ka utie chairman kura nkomo yi ajibo kono de no kura de mu da because jibo bro half your koyi open region ba ko power person obo ko anim a one target one
it was okọ bro half also a Kotoko supporters chairman but also ko share circle for
and other people and just like us nkwa no sure the other people
the man who am dey
say no okọ ba
circle for nkwa
WhatsApp groups any other groups no almost for some from consolidated groups na consolidated groups mai mo reps e di aba e say oye meeting na enya circles for nkwa no si omo any other group bia na cause omo twa bi to say monthly as a yearly donation so a group there na say Kotoko there so timi tua e be a year bia no ya 1000 Ghana I don't remember the figure to once you pay that amount you are accepted to be part of the group it's a committee ya na obey you rep aba send the circles you in rep aba no if your circles rep na be on medos because the fan say am na the mother body but the other groups also get a chance to bring their reps and say ka what here there na he has skip one stage first no
they say
people like Ben no complain say meeting nya kwa circles for omo ten ka ho na ya cross that bridge no ama circles ba other groups no so ba
and they say
enti ye kwa ani ma no
say baby a ye dru ene be ye say animanim ya no chairman solo to say even the position no as you define ni na say circles do omo ho a oma de omo ho say other groups nso ginom ba bia no ma ginom ba bi na bia chairman solo ne na to soro say yes you other groups there but mun nyina no mo chairman ni so tell me chance no na so mo hwe ho adwuma because on say no circles for instance say circles for na accept solo because the decision you taking earlier no it looks like a reverse no
but na wrong
so what the mention say
everything wrong
and what na make say and the baby doing the first thing
for editor ono wo start ono na no ube condemn say no di go for
and na make say chairman solo adwuma kase da ne so pa and say obehwe na the position as say wo no yet we define the position here
the constitution will do that the constitution now omo ye ho adwuma no
supporters chairman
it will eventually
say
place finishing touches on all this because ababi all presented different group
consolidated
why would be
now we also executives no but so can solo executives
well executive member but not in the name of the circle
from consolidated
from another group
PR trust way you better ankomo we so you better so
faithful
now captain mamisha sifo yinti chairman solo
a fantastic idea and obana make us I like the confidence to which Odi Kasano
Who a leader? I say ultimate. I got that on call for you now all direction. And I said anybody now a follow. I think Asante Kotoko, you see your book has Kotoko about 10 million supporters. Kotoko say supporters. But clearly, the benefit of the team Kotoko na say we enjoying Onyanisa. The reason being that omo ye divisive. Emu achiche bebrebe. And obiya free say or form a group or the ho. And you know that umbrella na so now follow under that umbrella no. Omo empese omo de omo be. I don't know I'm just a lot of splinter groups by now as omo rival circles no. But then a new leadership aba. I think say or share sad direction or try and change or who the akoso. Or who the other Kotoko will do some pimpins way. May I want to say Kotoko supporters no team up, no more boom, no more under one umbrella. Ombe very, very strong. Omo and some more about out no. A bit quite to the level of but the final decision makers or Asante Kotoko no. They regard that omo stance no. No the just so take a decision than say as it will take a decision a bit or to open out to the supporters no yeah said and regard the omubi and I think that there's chairman solo you know a person send signals to those outside those outside those who want to form a splinter group to support us and take Kotoko no who said now and to say the first not with my the open now so person there's a leadership so you failing to fall under that umbrella no count yourself out. You will not be recognized as Asante Kotoko supporters group. Ekobasa obia person don ebe don say ekuna obegiri ho mienu ba ku mienu ansana or take the decision. So I think it's a welcoming news. I want to say they are all will go a long way to help Asante Kotoko supporters in a bit to become strong again. Because you say Kotoko supporters in the come boom. Na so mo tu sa na mo ya the leader no out there anymore no at the air banner. I think said they will be stronger. Do Emma Kotoko enye bibi abre be san won. At the end of the day Asante Kotoko team no players are very important.